Alright guys, welcome back to Crypto Traders Tambayan. Okay, ako nga pala si McRae. And dito guys, tuturuan ko kayo paano gamitin itong Bollinger Bands para kumita sa pagtitrade ng crypto. Alright? By the way guys, ang gamit ko dito, I am using TradingView for me to be able to speculate the market. Ito guys, ang ginagamit ng karamihan ng traders to be able to carefully speculate the market para malaman saan nga ba ang next movement niya. So punta lang tayo dito guys kay TradingView. Just go to the website like you see here. And then once you're on the website guys, makikita nyo dyan ang more. Ayan. Once you go to more, just click on the desktop app guys. Scroll down and you can download this for Windows, Mac OS, and even Linux. Now once you've downloaded that, you can start using TradingView right away. Or you could also use this on your phone. Punta lang kayo sa App Store for iOS and Play Store if you're using Android. Okay? Now, ganito guys. Once that we're back here on the chart, okay, ang pwede natin gawin is i-add si Bollinger Bands sa pinaka-chart natin. Pero, I would actually show you guys how we would be adding that. Kasi syempre, once you have your chart already there, hindi naman agad-agad nandyan si indicator. Okay? By the way, Bollinger Bands is a technical indicator consisting of a simple moving average, yung line na nasa gitna, and two bands, one above and one below. So, remove ko muna tong si Bollinger Bands. So, ang gagawin ko muna dito guys is I will be clicking on the indicators dyan sa taas and then type down natin si Bollinger Bands. Okay? Now that we type down Bollinger Bands guys, makikita natin dyan si technical. So, marami ka makikita Bollinger Bands but just stick to technical guys and just click on Bollinger Bands itself. Yan lang ang i-click nyo. Ma-add na natin siya dyan sa chart natin. Okay? So, pwede natin guys i-compare tong Bollinger Bands from the term itself, bands, para siyang rubber band or goma kumbaga. Yung goma naman guys, kung iisipin natin, di ba, is pag hinila natin siya, is nagko-congest siya parang ganyan, parang humihigpit siya. And then, pag binitahon natin siya guys, is actually, bigla siyang nag-expand lalo. Right? So, same here is, kung makikita nyo, the candlesticks had actually congested between the two bands. So, para siyang hinila na. And then maya-maya is makikita nyo, tumaas siya dyan sa chart. At, nagkaroon ng movement na pataas si market. Or nagkaroon tayo ng bullish movement coming from the chart itself. So, if you're wondering guys, you could use Bollinger Bands pala on different time frames. You could use it on low time frames and you could use it on high time frames as well. So, ang gawin ko dito, let me just mark this area kung saan guys nagsimula ang congestion ni market. So, ito yung specific area kung saan nag-start siya mag-congest or naglaro si market between the two bands. So, pansin nyo, hindi siya lumalagpas sa dalawang bands na yan. Okay? Naglaro siya between there and then after a while is makikita nyo siya mag-expand na mag-expand na mamaya-maya yung bands. Doon na yung sign natin for us to be able to do a buy position trade. So guys, that would be what we call our first confirmation. So lalagyan ko siya ng arrow dito. Okay? Ayan. So this is the arrow. And then there. So nag-expand guys yung bands natin dyan. At makikita nyo dyan nagsimula ang uptrend ni market. Okay? So, this is the first confirmation that you would see. But again, guys, we would have several confirmations dito kay Bollinger Bands. If you see there is a big jump on the candlestick sa itong area na to, yan yung big jump natin sa candlestick. Hindi pa yan yung pinaka-sign natin for an entry, guys. The best sign for an entry would actually be on the second candlestick. Kung nakikita nyo, nasa labas na siya ng bands. Okay? So, maya-maya, imamark ko yung candle na yan para makita nyo rin kung kailan tayo mag-enter ng position. Okay? Kasi ang importante dito is the confirmation, guys. Yan ang number one thing na kailangan yung tignan is the confirmation coming from the Bollinger Bands and your candlesticks. Kaya ito isa sa pinaka best indicator na ginagamit natin for trading for beginners lalo. Diba? Ayan. So ito guys, ayan na. I will be putting in saan ba ako nagposisyon ng trade noon para actually kumita. Like, ipapop ko dyan sa screen. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo sa screen nyo. Dyan ako, yan ang amount ng kinita ko in just a day, guys. just using the Bollinger Bands as well. But of course, I have other strategies and I would also be teaching you that in other videos as well. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Hindi ko ililihim lahat ng sikreto ko sa trading. I will share it because of course, ang goal natin dito sa Crypto Traders Tambayan is kumita tayo guys kahit nasa bahay lang. Diba? Magkaroon tayo ng extra income or maging main income natin to trading. Okay? So if you see there guys, after that the bands had expanded after the second confirmation, we placed our entry dito guys sa gitna ng second candlestick na nasa labas ng bands. And then yung stop loss natin guys, we will average it towards the middle area of the first candlestick na nag-leap. So if you notice guys, this is actually a previous movement but this was a trade that I've done before. Sa pinap kong income dyan, which is about $700 guys. Isipin nyo $700 in just a day. At ito lang ang ginagamit natin guys. Alright? So, ayan, kung titingnan natin, that is one of our best ways to trade. So that entry was around the price of 60 magkano ba to? 65,346 up to 67,310. Okay, so malaking movement yan or malaking leap yan kay chart, and that is one of the best things to trade. By the way guys, baka nagtataka kayo saan ako nagtitrade. Dito pala ako nagtitrade sa B2Nix. Alright, this is one of the exchanges I'm trading on, or the only exchange actually I'm trading on. And this is actually a very, very good exchange to trade on. Bakit siya maganda exchange guys? Kasi number one, bilang sa akin na nag-crypto trading, I am actually focused more on futures trading. Because futures trading guys gives us bigger income. Mas malaki po ang pwede natin kitain. And number one dito guys is meron tayong leverage kay futures trading. For main coins or our big coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, we have up to 125 times of leverage. And for our altcoins, we also have about up to 50 times of leverage. Okay? So napakalaki ng leverage natin dito kay B2Nix. So guys, by the way, you can also guys like and subscribe to actually watch more of my videos. I'll be uploading a lot more videos soon, and under my description as well guys, I also have there my socials. You can also follow me, and because I also post on Instagram a few clips for things that you could know more about trading, as well as I'm also building a community guys. Right? So, paano ba tayo makakasali sa community natin, na Discord community guys? Nagsisimula pa lang ako dito and I want to build a solid community para syempre makatulong tayo sa mga number one, gustong matuto mag-trade, and number two, yung mga current nagtitrade na pwede tayo magtulungan. Right? So, all you need to do guys is you just need to DM me on Instagram. Register kay B2Nix guys. You don't need to trade right away. You don't need to fund your account right away. You just need to register and then DM me on IG, and I will invite you to my Discord community. Okay? So, ito guys, balik tayo dito. So, I will show you another example of the Bollinger Bands nga pala. Dito guys, this was a short position naman, or what we call a sell position. Ito naman guys, yung nangyari sa atin is, parang kanina malaking leap. Ito naman, pansin nyo, it is actually a short jump lang pababa, or a short movement pababa, nung nag-expand dito si Bollinger Bands. Right? So, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, hindi ibig sabihin na makita mag-expand siya, you'd be expecting big movement. Now, just the same thing like we did kanina guys, ang gagawin lang natin is we would be measuring the second candle dun sa entry, yung kalahati niya, and then the take profit natin guys, hindi natin masyado lalawakan kasi kung pansin nyo dyan is napakaikli lang nung pinaka first candle na lumagpas. Actually, wick lang ang lumagpas sa kanya. Okay? Hindi actually full candle. Alright? Hindi katulad kanina. Alright? So, this is the best and the most simple way to understand Bollinger Bands, guys. But if you want to know more, tulad ng sinabi ko, guys, kanina, just follow the instructions below, guys. What do you call this? Like and subscribe here to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on my socials, like Instagram, TikTok, and as well as also my Facebook, guys, kung gusto nyo. And then also, just register kay B2Nix. Number one yan guys, register on B2Nix, no commitments needed. Ang syempre, ang pinakagusto nating unang gawin is matuto muna before we start investing sa ating account. So once na natuto tayo guys, we could start funding our account para pwede tayo sabay-sabay kumita tulad ng kinita ko in just one day, di ba? So, DM me on Instagram guys. I hope I see you guys sa aking community. I hope na lumaki ang community natin at sabay-sabay tayo. Syempre, number one, kumita. Diba? And matuto the second thing that's important, right? So, see you guys in my community. Thank you so much for watching my this video. I hope this has been a good way for you to understand one way to start trading din sa mga bago or sa mga newbies natin. Again, this is McRae from Crypto Traders Tambayan. You guys have a great day and salamat sa panonood.
So